we need to come together, man, for real.
Oh,
use our brains, man.
Right.
For real. We are our role models. We are the leaders. We are the older guys, and these younger guys are looking at us. And if we're not leading, then we might as well stoop to their level, man.
Pull up on the prophets, come and try. It don't matter where we be at. When you see us, we gon' ride. We'll pull up where you be at. Hit the streets and bring it out. Plus we practice what we preach and read them scriptures, then apply. You want that pressure, we got that. Scared of prophets, I doubt that. Got them scriptures, so don't make us bring it out, cause we bout that. Head chop in your doctrine, lay it down in the coffin. 7 morning, rise and shine. When we get up, we be out here. They call us prophets, proceed with caution or stay to yourself. Before you play with the prophets, you better pray for some help. We bring it out, open your mouth and you gon' quickly regret it. Play with my ock and you get chopped like when the blade meet the flesh. The prophet's back and we the one he chose. You don't want no problem. Read through the scriptures and he called us gold. Nations getting toppled, we are army, we be marching. Plus we known to get it poppin'. He just watching, we be out your fringes swinging how we rock. Yo, past the week and we saying everything he scared to say. Ready for war, we on the chemo side, we ain't come to play. Yo, pastor preaching, he ain't teaching nothing. He just in the way. You looking for the truth, pull up the prophets out here every day.